Today we'll be looking into how much YouTubers make. Here we have the channel of Next Level Gardening. To know more about their statistics, we will browse to the channel on Social Blade. Next Level Gardening, as we are recording this video, has uploaded 297 videos, garnered 553,000 subscribers, along with over 25.9 million total views. We will be checking the YouTube analytics for the last month to have a more updated data of their earnings. We are looking for the daily average of the views, which in this case amounts to an average of 10,798. We will then be taking these numbers to the money calculator of Social Blade. Here we need to input the daily average views and the CPM. This tool does not allow modifying the views to the exact amount, so we will be rounding off the average views to 11,000. As for the CPM, this stands for cost per mil, meaning cost per 1,000 views. It ranges from less than $1 to $10, and the amount will depend on which country the video is played, how long the audience watches an advertisement, if a viewer clicks on an ad. To match the average, we will set the CPM to $5. Since we have already got the data on the calculator, we see an estimate of $55 for the daily earnings, $1,650 for the estimated monthly earnings, and $19,800 for the estimated annual income. But it does not end here. YouTube takes around 45% of the income, so let us multiply all these estimates by 0.55, and that leaves us with $30.25, $907.50, and $10,890 for the daily, monthly, and yearly income respectively. With all the data presented, I wish for Next Level Gardening to have great journey as a YouTube content creator. Do check their channel if you're interested. While you're at it, leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it and if you gained some knowledge about how much YouTubers earn money by creating content. Comment your thoughts about this and subscribe for more videos to find out how much other YouTubers make. Have a great day!